The smartest order to invest your money. Most people don't fail with money because they don't earn enough. They fail because they do things in the wrong order. They invest before they're ready, chasing returns while standing on quicksand. After years of doing the right things, they still feel broke and stressed. This isn't a character flaw. It's a sequencing problem. Money is about the order in which you make decisions. Do the boring things first. My name is Nick, and I think too much about why intelligent people sabotage themselves financially. If you want to manage money instead of copying what sounds impressive, make sure you subscribe and hit like. Before we talk where to invest, why do most people rush in the first place? Nearly 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency, yet millions are in crypto or individual stocks. It's like upgrading the sound system while the engine light is flashing red. Investing is step 4 or 5, not step 1. The smartest order starts with stability, comes before growth, always. Without an emergency fund, every investment decision is emotionally compromised, feeling like a ticking clock. Vanguard found that people with even $2,000 in savings reported dramatically higher financial well-being. Start with $1,000 fast, then 1 month, then build toward 3 months of expenses for breathing room. Once the buffer exists, the next step is eliminating high-interest debt, anything charging you north of 8%. Paying off a credit card charging 22% interest is a guaranteed 22% return. Guaranteed. Carrying high-interest debt while investing is like climbing a mountain with a weighted vest on. The strategy is the avalanche method. List debts, pay minimums, attack the highest interest rate first. It's not sexy, it's effective. There is one exception. If your employer offers a retirement match, you take it. Employer matching is free money. Contribute just enough to get the full match, then go right back to killing high-interest debt. This is the foundation. Emergency fund. High-interest debt gone. Employer match secured. Without these, everything else is noise. Now we move into tax efficiency, where most people accidentally donate thousands to the government without realizing it. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts before you ever touch a taxable brokerage account. Start with IRAs. The difference between a 1.5% fee versus a 0.05% fee over decades can easily be tens of thousands of dollars. Roth if your income is low, traditional if you're in peak earning years. If unsure, split them. If you have an HSA, this is one of the most powerful tools. HSAs are triple tax advantaged. The smartest strategy is to pay current medical expenses out of pocket and let the HSA grow untouched. Once your IRA and HSA are maxed, then and only then do you increase contributions to your employer's retirement plan beyond the match. Only after all of this do taxable investment accounts make sense. This is where you get flexibility. Think of this like building a house. Foundation is the emergency fund, insulation is tax-advantaged accounts, furniture is taxable investing. This order isn't about deprivation, it's about alignment. When your money has a clear structure, stress drops. The market doesn't make people rich, behavior does. The market rewards those patient enough to prepare before they participated. Your future self isn't impressed by how exciting your investments were. They're grateful you did the boring things first. Most people will nod along, feel motivated for 10 minutes, and then go right back to doing what they were doing before. Once you fix the order, you stop feeling rushed. Money becomes a system you control, not constant background stress. When the order is right, a market drop doesn't scare you, it excites you. Volatility becomes an opportunity. Someone who starts at 40 but follows the correct sequence will outperform someone who started at 25 but skipped steps. Here's your quiet challenge. Don't announce it. Just execute. Fix the order. Stick to it. Fix the sequence. Even one step building that emergency fund puts you ahead of millions of people. Hit the like button if this saved you from a costly mistake, and drop a comment telling me which step you're working on right now. Do the boring things first. Follow the right order. Your future self will thank you.